Ever looked up at the night sky and thought, wow, space looks so clean and peaceful? Think again. Up there, it's more like a cosmic junkyard, filled with leftover bits and pieces from our space adventures. So, what exactly is space junk? It's the leftover debris from satellites, rockets, and even tiny paint chips. And here's the crazy part. There are over 26,000 pieces of space junk, bigger than a softball, orbiting Earth right now. Now, you might be thinking, why is this a problem? Well, space junk isn't just floating around lazily. These pieces are speeding through space at around 28,000 kilometers per hour. Well, that's faster than a bullet. At that speed, even tiny piece of debris can cause massive damage to functioning satellites or even space stations. So, why can't we just go up there and clean it all up? It sounds simple, right? Just send a space garbage truck and sweep it up. Well, not exactly. Space is huge, like a giant three-dimensional football field. Trying to catch tiny pieces of debris is like chasing a fly in a stadium, except both are moving at insane speeds. Over the years, people have tried everything: nets, harpoons, even robotic arms. Sounds cool, right? But each idea has its own challenges. For instance, using a net to catch debris in zero gravity is way more complicated than it sounds. You've got to deploy it, control it, and make sure it doesn't get tangled. But that's hope. Scientists are exploring lasers to deal with space junk. Yeah, lasers. But before you start picturing some kind of Star Wars scenario, the idea is to use lasers to gently push debris out of orbit, causing it to re-enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up. It's called laser ablation, and it's like giving space junk a little nudge back home. The catch? It's still experimental, and there are technical and political hurdles. Imagine the chaos if someone used space lasers as weapons. Plus, the cost is huge. Space missions are already expensive, and cleaning up space junk adds even more to the bill. So, why is space junk so hard to collect? It's a mix of speed, technology, cost, and the vastness of space. But with new ideas like laser ablation, we might be on the right track to cleaning up our cosmic backyard. Until then, fingers crossed for a cleaner, safer space. After all, we don't want to turn our universe into a junkyard, right? And if you want to know why power plants are striped like candies, make sure to watch this video.